Welcome to our YouTube business video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of YouTube on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate YouTube in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest YouTube business strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1, what is YouTube all about? Video number 2, researching and picking a profitable niche. Video number 3, creating and optimizing a business YouTube channel. Video number 4, setting up a sales-oriented YouTube video. Video number 5, embedding your YouTube sales video on a blog post. Video number 6, cross-posting your sales video to your business's social channels. Video number 7, starting a live stream to promote a product launch URL. Video number 8, how to send your product video to the first page of search results. Video number 9, promoting your sales video with a custom YouTube ad campaign. Video number 10, creating a product consideration video ad for YouTube. Video number 11, creating a customer retargeting campaign on YouTube. Video number 12, outlining your perfect YouTube sales funnel for 2020. Video number 13, enabling monetization on YouTube easily in 2020. Video number 14, top YouTube marketing tips to increase sales in 2020. Video number 15, the more profitable types of YouTube videos in 2020. Video number 16, alternative monetization strategies for businesses on YouTube. Video number 17, YouTube business do's and don'ts. Video number 18, YouTube business premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19, YouTube business success stories. Video number 20, YouTube business frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of YouTube on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.